Suzanne?
Suzanne? Man, maybe see if you can get that up to the road and then check the serial number or call the husband and see what kind of bike she has.
Somebody chippy buddy. Can you try to call the husband and see what type of bike she has? Right now I'm staring at a Santa Cruz, blue in color.
We'll do 9:30.
One of us will stay here. One's gonna be like on the bottom of that. That's where I usually
Yeah,
find them.
because the rim's not going to... I'm just looking at the rim. It's not bent.
What is it? Form clear on Kev.
That's a big warning.
I guess maybe you're careful where you touch it too. Just stay on there. Try not to touch it too much in case like someone could be off. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Something's up with this front tire. So.
What's that?
Said something's up with this front tire. Are you...
Okay, so I'm the daughter's boyfriend,
Okay.
and I'm here
Is
to...
this your truck?
That's my truck.
Somebody chippy buddy. Never mind, I got something here. So you haven't seen the mom at all, have you?
Yep, so the two daughters are gone right now at the moment. The dad is in Denver for a job, and they text her because of Mother's Day, and they haven't heard. The text never went through, like it never delivered since this morning. And she's a big mountain biker. She normally takes her car,
Yeah.
and her bike's normally in the back of that. It's gone. Her
Was
car's
this
here.
open when you came here?
The neighbor was here that opened it, and then she shut it, and she went back to her house. Her house is right over there.
Okay.
And then I came back and I opened it to come in the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you looked in the house for
I
her?
have, yep.
Alright. You looked through everything?
Yes.
You haven't found her?
No.
Okay. Alright. What time did you get here?
6 o'clock, and then I went all the way up Fusis, because she's rode up there. And I just drove the main road, couldn't find her, and then there's a couple spots that I could check, like trails and stuff. But I wanted to come back here to just, like, check back in and stuff.
Okay. Has she ever gone up 225?
Colorado Trail right there?
Like, you know the big hill once you come
Yeah.
off the highway?
Well, she hasn't, and I haven't checked there yet because that climb at the beginning is really hard.
Yeah.
And I think that it would be out of characteristic for her to do that. But I mean, someone needs to go there, I think.
Why would you say it is, like, on carry?
Well, because it's kind of a crazy,
Okay.
it's kind of a crazy climb to get up there.
All
It's
right.
like not really rideable. You got to push your bike before you can start riding.
Alright.
Yeah.
Do you have a driver's license on
Yeah.
you?
It's in my truck, and here's my dad pulling up.
That's your dad?
That's my dad right there.
Okay. S211.
Good.
Alright, so this is one of the daughter's boyfriend. And he's saying it'd be out of ordinary for her to travel up that way where we found the bike.
Wait, where did they find her bike?
The bike's leaning up against the sheriff's vehicle.
Yeah.
Do we know what she was wearing in reference to the jacket?
Do you know what she usually wears when she goes riding?
She has a couple different sets of clothing in terms of what she wears riding, so I'm not sure exactly what she put on today.
Okay, what are some of the outfits she wears?
Blue shorts, like
Okay.
turquoise blue shorts.
Can you pull
She
her up
has
on
a-
Instagram in
Yeah,
one of her mountain
she has a
biking
blue
pictures?
helmet, which she always wears.
Okay.
A like turquoise blue helmet.
You guys have her bike though,
Yeah, we do.
but not her.
Not her.
Okay.
Where'd you find her bike?
Off of that road that I was asking you about.
Oh,
Where you said it was
in
uncharacteristic.
Chavano.
Just right out here on the road.
Right out there, okay.
Right where you found.
Where
you saw it.
that road takes off up the.
That's her
She wear any jackets?
She probably would have had,
What kind of jackets does she wear?
I mean, a windbreaker.
A windbreaker?
I don't know what color.
I saw her,
I mean, we don't even know what time she left today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but they have cameras.
they have cameras, but they've been out of commission for a while.
Hey, 11. Can
Okay.
you get a list of the
So her
trails that
bike
she
was close to the
frequents?
road.
That way, if we get search and rescue out here, they can focus on those.
Yeah, I'm working on that right now.
It's good.
What were some of the other trails you said? She rides up Booses and
Yep, she rides up Fuses. Normally when she takes her car, she goes down to, what's that road called? That's right down at the gate. Goes up to North Fork Lake.
okay, what about around here? Since she didn't take her car, she clearly
Okay,
left from
so
here.
she would have gone up Fuses, I assume, or to the
Go
Colorado
across,
Trail.
you go straight across the
There's
highway.
that
The
trail.
Colorado Trail's
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
So you can go up that ridge there,
Yeah.
and that gets on the Colorado.
And did you just let him know about it? Do you live in the area?
No, he dates. her-
Right.
Yeah.
So he called you and let you
Well,
know.
we were talking to their daughters on a road trip. We were talking to them down in town,
Okay.
and then I said, "Yeah, why don't you run up there and see if you can't find her?"
Yeah.
And so then once he'd been gone a while, I drove up here.
I know this is a weird question,
Yeah.
but do Barry and Suzanne get along pretty well?
You can answer honestly.
You know, I think they've had some problems.
Okay.
Yeah, in the past.
Like, just normal.
Normal husband and wife type deal. I
Oh,
would
they
say.
like talk about separating or anything
They
like
have, yeah.
that? Okay.
I would, yeah.
And you know this through.
Through,
Macy.
yeah, I'm very
Macy.
close with her.
Yeah, it's
her
it's
daughter.
important that you, at this
I know,
point
I
you
know, I
tell
know,
him
I know.
anything that
Yeah.
you know, like that.
Yeah, and he is in Denver for a work job. He's a landscaper, and he's got a big job in Denver. So that's where he is at right now.
Okay.
And Macy and the older sister Mallory are on a road trip. They're where are they?
Where is it? Where's the bike?
Oh, it's right there.
Where was it?
It was like just right down here in this little embankment right here. So, sorry, GPS dude. We got the husband on scene here with me.
Miles on the floor right now. It's gonna be okay. I'm here with my daughter. She's at Barry's
Oh,
house.
okay. All right. Yeah, you can go down
Was it
there.
a crash?
I mean, the bike looked the way it was laying. It kind of looked like it, but there's not really that much damage to the bike. That's the thing.
Lion?
Yeah, it was just like
Was
lying.
it no a lion? Mountain
I didn't see anything that would
lion? I didn't see
indicate.
anything, and they're not letting us go over the side
Because we're getting a
because
track
the dogs. We're bringing
Where'd
dogs.
you find her bike? Right
just
here?
right down in here.
Do you know
Yeah.
where my husband and son are? They're
They
Yeah.
probably went down to Puma,
Yeah,
down to the
so-
We're at
house.
my house.
okay.
And Bear, just I know this is tough right now. Do you mind if I just get your driver's license for our record stuff? Search and rescue's on their way. Hey Barry, and then I'll probably need your help to kind of tell me some of the trails that she frequents, so we can backtrack some of that stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'm sorry.
Oh man. And she's an avid mountain biker, right?
It's just started about 2 months. She's been hit.
And just for confirmation, you left this morning at 5.
She was sound asleep.
Okay. And she told you she was gonna go bike
She
riding?
bikes every day, yeah.
Okay.
She said she's gonna bike when she gets up.
So she was asleep in the bed when you left. Did you say bye to her or anything?
No, she's sound asleep.
Okay.
Always leave her.
So the last time you probably actually saw her was this morning. That was it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I've been in Bridgeville. I got a big job up there. I've been there all day working. I'm sorry, you need to calm down.
No, it's all good, man. We're doing the best. We got
Did
a
they
lot of
check
people
the house?
coming.
Did they,
Yeah,
they
we got,
looked through the house?
yeah, they got the house. So what we're doing is we're keeping people out of the house because if the dog comes, they want to get a scent from out of the house.
Yeah.
So they don't want to pollute that scent. So that way we can start trying. And I walked up this. Like I said, I didn't see anything out of the ordinary. Nothing looked like.
I wonder if she was hurt, if she could climb up the hill.
But that's the thing. When we came here, still was daylight, right? So if she was right here, somebody would have easily, you know what I mean? Just because it was like literally like right down. It was this. I mean, if we saw it coming in, somebody would have definitely seen it too, you know? Hey, how's it going, man?
Do you want us to stage down at that residence or?
So, hold on, let me give this to you
Yeah.
and I'll get right with you.
Okay, no worries.
Hey, Barry, besides, I know the bike was here, but what are some of the paths that, or like the trails, like
She rides this road. She rides up to the top, and then she goes up to Flus's.
Okay,
If there's no
Flus's.
snow, she'll go up high on Flus's. She's went down this one a couple of times.
Down this one here too?
Yeah.
Okay. So double check Flus's over there too, because I think,
Well,
was
I
it
see
Miles?
different
I think
bikes.
Miles. Yeah, I know, we just want to double check everything, so, yeah.
Did anybody look for foot tracks on the road?
I haven't seen anything really, but
Like people tracks? We're lying.
I didn't really notice, but I won't lie, I'm not like an expert tracker or something, you know. Yeah, so my partner is actually the one that saw it and picked it up, but it was like the top of it was weird because it feels like the top of the bike was like up this way.
So maybe flipped.
Maybe, I don't know, man.
But the problem is,
Go ahead.
what's the thing about 4 o'clock in the morning? Was that somebody on the phone?
5 o'clock. Oh yeah, so we pinged the phone and it said the last activity was at 4 in the morning.
Up here?
It's off of the Ponzi Tower. So there's not any specific coordinate. Hey, could you not touch the bike with your hands, please?
Hey guys!
That's the husband. Because I've been wearing gloves, I've been trying not to. So.
Put it in your. Can you fit it in your car?
No, but I could try to. My car is, with the back is filled with tack gear and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, and the bike was found right there. See that little pink thing right in there? And you could see it on our initial body camera too when we found it, right over there. Right there by like that tree. So
I'll see you.
I didn't seem to like distraught freaked out. He's kind of going back and like, why didn't they check the recruit? I'm like, you know, we're trying to do the best. And this guy, I guess his name's. He showed up on his own. I guess Barry. Hey Barry, are you guys? Are you where are you guys headed? Okay. Here soon. I'm gonna probably have you come and talk with us more. All right. Thanks, man.
And sir, when we go inside, let's just go directly to where something that she's worn today, and let's not touch anything just for in case.
Okay. Is this unlocked?
Yes.
Which way would that be? This way? Let me touch it.
Anything down there?
These are all hers right here.
Yeah.
Have you got a plastic bag?
Yeah.
Or a paper bag. Let's say the sports bra is probably good. I mean, it's direct contact with the skin. No, we should just be fine with one. How do you turn on the exterior lights? Which light switch is it? All of them do?
Yes, 2 on secure.
Thank you. Hey, Anthony. Can I speak to you over there once we get
Sure.
back? Your blood right there. So you realize what you grabbed, right? Those shorts? Yeah. Those are for mountain biking. Yeah. Like the padded shorts you can wear when you go mountain biking. Yeah. So that, I'm curious.
Yeah, I saw that. But they were bike shorts.
Yeah.
And oh yeah. So I got them. She's biked and for the house ready. You know what I mean? Yeah. I know it's a good.
Oh, sidetrack though. When you took your